Imagine you've just found the perfect toy, a magical creature that sparks your imagination. You're ready to bring it home, but how do you pay for it? Today, we're diving into the world of Lunar Toy Store and exploring the different payment methods they accept. So, whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your magical journey, let's find out how to make your dream toy a reality. Credit and debit cards. One of the most common and convenient ways to pay at Lunar Toy Store is by using your credit or debit card. They accept a wide range of major cards, including Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. This method is quick, secure, and often comes with additional benefits like reward points or purchase protection. Online wallets. If you prefer a digital wallet, Lunar Toy Store has you covered. They accept popular options like PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. These services offer a streamlined checkout process and often provide extra security features. Plus, you can easily manage your transactions and track your spending. Gift cards. Looking for a thoughtful gift? Lunar Toy Store gift cards are the perfect way to show someone you care. Available in various denominations, these cards can be used for any purchase at the store. They're a great option for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Store credit. If you've returned an item or received a store credit for another reason, you can use it towards your next purchase. Store credit is a flexible way to shop and can be combined with other payment methods. Layaway. For larger purchases, Lunar Toy Store may offer a layaway option. This allows you to spread out the cost of an item over time. It's a great way to secure a desired toy without breaking the bank up front. Financing. In some cases, Lunar Toy Store may partner with financing companies to offer customers the option to pay over time with interest. This can be a convenient way to purchase expensive items, but it's important to understand the terms and conditions before applying. There you have it. Lunar Toy Store offers a variety of payment methods to suit your needs. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or just starting out, you're sure to find a way to bring your dream toys home. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the magical world of Lunar Toy Store and find your next favorite treasure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy shopping.